Hi everyone, my name is Vindan Kuo and I will be discussing on CSS and I'll be discussing two topics on CSS. So first one is basic CSS. We're going to be discussing on the basic part of CSS, how CSS works and what is CSS. Next, we're going to be talking about the syntax structure. CSS have a syntax structure that is used to implement specific tags. Our next, we're going to be talking about linking our CSS to our HTML file and also we're going to be talking about text formatting. So CSS is a cascading styling sheet that developers use to style their website, to make that website visual so user can be able to interact with it. Also, but CSS work with structure. In this structure, we use it in order to what? To implement a specific tags on our website. And for our structure contains, we get our selector, we get our value, we have our properties, and we have our declaration block. Also, firstly, we're going to talk brief into our selector. We have various selectors that we use in our CSS style sheet in order to implement a specific tags. So firstly, we have our universal selector. This selector selects all the elements within the HTML tag. Next, we have our tab selector. Our tab selector targets specific HTML element within our HTML document. Next, we have our class selector with target element with a specific class and our ID selector that target element with a unique ID. So we talked about the syntax structure within our CSS. So we also going to talk about our properties and our value. Our property define the aspect of the element to start where our value specify the setting in our HTML document or CSS styling sheet. And this property and value use a declaration block that can be able to specify it. So that does it for basic CSS and syntax structure. So our next topic is going to be linking our CSS to our HTML file in our text formatting. We can link our CSS to our HTML file in three ways. We have our inline, we have our internal, and we have our external linking. So firstly, we're going to discuss on our inline linking. So here is our inline linking example. So with our inline linking, we add start direct to our HTML document using our start tag. You see right here? Here's the inline linking. That's how we link our CSS to our HTML document using the inline. So this is an example of our internal linking. So for our internal linking, it works directly in the start tag in the head section of our HTML document. In the start tag and the head section, you see right here? You see here? This is our internal linking, example of our internal linking. This is how we link our CSS internally to our HTML document. This is how we link our CSS internally to our HTML document. Alright, so next we have our external linking. So we talked about inline linking, we talked about internal linking. Now we're going to talk about our external linking. So for our external linking, this is how we do our external linking of our CSS into our HTML document. Here, this is a link. Here, you see this is the style sheet. Here it is style.css. Okay, so we're in that you're going to use our editor, your Notepad++, open your file and save it. The extension as start.css, and make sure you're saving it as all files. So when you save it as the extension and you locate the folder, so here we'll be locating the folder link. This will be locating the folder, and here is the file name. Here's the file name. This is the file extension name start.css. So right there you can what you can link your style sheet externally with your HTML document. This is how you link your style sheet externally with your HTML document. So that's how we link our CSS to our HTML file document using these three type of linking: our inline, our internal, and our external. With this linking, we can be able to link our CSS to our HTML file easily. So you can choose any type of linking to use. Next, we're going to talk about text formatting. With our text formatting, it ensures that we can see our text visually and it can be seen to us visually. We use our text formatting in order to see our text visually. That's the purpose of our text formatting. So that does it for the presentation. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you learned some basic idea containing CSS. Thank you very much.